Hello everyone. Myself Naveen and welcome to my channel. I hope all are doing really well. Today I came to visit a Dr. MGR and Dr. J. Jalita Memorial, which is located in Chennai. Because of nowadays I am in Chennai. Let's see and explore together with me the MGR and Amma Memorial. I am also going to explain about them. MGR and Amma Memorial, officially known as the Bharat Ratna Puratachit Thalaivar Dr. MGR Ramchandran and Puratachit Halvi Amma J. Jayalalitha Memorial, is a memorial complex dedicated to the former Chief Ministers of Tamil Nadu M.G. Ramchandran, which is prominently known as the MGR, and J. Jayalalitha, which is also known as the Amma, where black marble platform was raised on the spot of MGR's cremation in the year of 1987 on December 25, and on the spot of Jayalalitha on this in December 2016, and both crematories consist of an internal flame and portrait of them at one end at Marina Beach. This is the resting place, mausoleum of the MGR. Let's salute and tribute to MGR Chief Minister first. I am also going to visit all over the places and museum and memorial of MGR and Jayalalitha Memorial, and even there is also a complex of the museum. It is looking very good, and I am just close to the Jayalalitha Memorial mausoleum, which is dedicated to the Jayalalitha resting place. Salute and tribute to Jayalalitha also. This is also made by the black marble. Both symmetry, already I explained about that. A stone footpath leads to the lotus-shaped wall that enclosed that houses the MGR Memorial with the sword pillar topped with a spherical shaped from light, and even Jayalalitha Memorial also in lotus type. Look at this spot of Jayalalitha crematory place, that is a mausoleum of Jayalalitha. And many more visitors are always coming here because this is a so popular and unique place in Tamil Nadu in Chennai. This is the memory of Jayalalitha, who was a very great actress and politician. I am also going to explain something about them. The memorial complex is located on Kamarajar, adjacent to the Anna Memorial on Marina Beach in Chennai. This is the museum of Jayalalitha we can see. Even J. Jayalalitha was the second actress to become the Chief Minister of Republic of India after the MGR's wife Janaki Ramchandran, and she has the second longest tenure of the Chief Minister in Tamil Nadu, having served multiple terms and continued to hold the position until her death. This is the Amma Museum, where I found so many photographs who worked as a actress, as a politician, as a childhood, during college, and everything observed here. Let's see, this is the photographs of Jayalalitha from school, college, actress, politicians, and oldest time also. I am also feeling very good because of the unique place. I memorize about the Jayalalitha life career as a politician and actress who prominently worked, because even Jayalalitha was a very great actress who also worked prominently in Tamil industry, Telugu and Hindi also. This is the biography of Jayalalitha written on the wall on postal. Even she has the second longest tenure of Chief Ministership in the Tamil Nadu, even in our country also, and having served multiple terms and continues to hold the position until her death. So she considered one of the greatest politicians, leaders and actress of the state. And M.G. Ramchandran, who was also a wife of MGR, who served as the first female chief minister of Tamil Nadu, and both are in competitions because Jayalalitha was also a Jayalalitha and love her story along with MGR that was also so popular, but Jayalalitha did not get married with MGR and MGR also did not get married with Jayalalitha. So MGR got married with 3 wives, and first one of the wife is also Janki Ramchandran, who was also a former chief minister and actress in Tamil industry. So we can see many more things observed regarding the Jayalalitha, means such as the photography, life works as a CM, as a chief minister, and many more books, awards, prizes won by her along with the medals. Everything restored here. So even her followers idealize her as a Puratati Thalvi, means revolutionary leader, and she was the first and only one leader in female to serve as the leader of opposition in Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly. So even she also met with so many legendary persons in her life career, such as the former president, prime minister. We can see she also met with the former president of India, Pranab Mukherjee, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and also with so many politicians and legendary persons of our country. So this is a very good place, and I am also feeling very good here. And this memorial is located just in front of the University of Madras at Marina Beach itself only. No need to go far away. And beside there is also a Anna Memorial and Karunanidhi Memorial also here. And even Jayalalitha, who was also aware about the Bharat Natyam, which is one of the most popular and oldest classical dance of India, which belong from Tamil Nadu state. And there is also some classical dance such as the Kunchipuri from Andhra Pradesh, Odissi from Orissa, Mohini Natyam, and Kathakali is from Kerala, Kathak is from Uttar Pradesh, and Satriya is from Assam. So these are the Manipuri is from Manipur. So these are the some classical dance, 7 most popular classical dance of India. So these are the all the photographs of Jayalalitha regarding her life and career as an actress and politicians. So I am feeling very good here, and so many visitors are coming to visit this place. I think so many visitors per day are coming here to visit this place. And this is the also a statue of Jayalalitha along with one student. When she met with one student, so her picture was captured and made one statue along with her. So it is also looking that really she is alive and she is standing here in front of me. And this is the museum of MG Ramchandran, MG Ramchandran Museum, means MGR, properly known as the MGR. So everything also observed here regarding MGR, because MG who was also a first actor who became as a chief minister in Republic of India in Tamil Nadu state. So let's see, and many more photographs, awards won by him also observed and kept here. So MG Ramchandran, the first actor to become the chief minister on the Republic of India, who honored also with Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award of India, who also won. So he was also a great, and even already I explained about that MG Ramchandran, means MGR also was in relationship with Jayalalitha, but MGR did not get married with Jayalalitha. So Jayalalitha dedicate her life in politics to serve as a chief minister and as a great social female worker in Tamil Nadu state, who did so many things for females in Tamil Nadu state. So that reason they called as Amma in Tamil Nadu state. So this is the dress code of the MGR. Awards, dress, prize, books written by him. So many more things also observed here about the MGR and Jayalalitha. So this is the museum and many more photographs. Even MGR also met with the Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi, former Prime Minister. So thanks, and once again thanks.